My name is Adam Erhart and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, why you should choose your marketing gurus carefully. Clock is ticking. I'm one of those people that likes to track pretty much everything. I track my productivity, I track what I eat, I track my fitness and workouts. I track pretty much anything I can because that's what allows me to measure and monitor and optimize what I'm doing to get even more juice out of my day and more productivity out of my work. Now, this also means that I've gotten really good at measuring garbage in to garbage out, and the effects are profound, which is why I now carefully curate who I'm listening to, the type of content that I'm watching, the books that I'm reading, and all of that other stuff. You see, when I listen to the really good people that I resonate with, that I like their message, they come off as authentic and trustworthy, I end up doing better and I end up feeling a lot better. But when I sometimes let something slip through the cracks or something shows up on my news feed or in a YouTube video, and it's a little hypey or snake oil salesy or just kind of spammy, well, I end up feeling a lot worse, which is why I really can't advocate enough and recommend that you get really clear about listening to only those people who positively impact your life, your marketing, and your business, and getting rid of everyone else. You see, it really is garbage in, garbage out, and if you want to have better productivity, better marketing results, and a better business and life, you're going to need to be really selective about the type of information that you're consuming. The good news is it's totally up to you. So my advice is to pick 1, 2, maybe 3 mentors who you like, who you resonate with, whose content you like consuming, and follow them and ignore everybody else, which means unsubscribing from their email lists, not watching their YouTube videos, not listening to their podcasts. If they're negative or not providing value to your life, you've got no room for them, especially as you try and build a better business and a better life.